Are gutters really that important? Let's find out. Thank you for joining me today on Energy Advantage YouTube channel, where we talk roofing, solar, and windows. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, as we have a ton of educational and informational videos for you. Okay, so today I thought we'd talk about gutters. I know, gutters. Why? Hear me out. Here's the thing. If you really want to take good care of your roof, gutters are actually really important. Believe it or not, bad gutters can actually cause thousands of dollars of damages to your roof and your home. So today I'm going to explain to you how this can happen, obviously how to prevent it, and really everything about gutters. Okay, so what are home gutters? Home gutters are also known as rain gutters. They are designed as a drainage system. Basically, it's designed to collect and move rainwater away from your roof. Gutters are installed along the eaves of your roof so that they can easily collect runoff. At the gutter's end, an end cap prevents the water from simply flowing out and splashing to the ground. Instead, the water is directed downward into the downspout and basically moves the water away from your home. Why is this important? Water damage on your roof is a big problem. An expensive problem, especially if water gets into the decking of your roof. Water causes mold and rot, and not even that, but it can actually spread throughout the entire roof. So basically, something that could have been a small repair now turned into a major repair. So this is why gutters are so important, because they actually help water move away from your roof. But here's the thing, it's also really important to maintain your gutters. So if your gutters are clogged with debris or they're broken, simply put, they're just not functioning and they're not moving water away from your roof. What can happen is that basically water builds up and moves back into your roof. Water simply overflows, and obviously that's a problem. So just remember, gutter maintenance is essential. We'll touch on that a little bit later. Now, without gutters though, your roof is actually at risk for damage. Mold, mildew growth, peeling paint, landscaping erosion, and water penetrations in basements or crawl spaces. In the worst case scenario, water penetration can actually cause damages to the foundation of your roof. So what are gutters made out of? So gutters are typically made with vinyl, steel, aluminum, or copper. So here's some of the pros and cons of each one of these materials. Vinyl. These are the most affordable types of gutters. Unfortunately, they aren't the most durable. Vinyl gutters can actually crack during the cold weather and melt under long-term sun exposure. Steel. Definitely tougher than vinyl, and you can depend on steel gutters to handle heavy storms. However, steel rusts, which is obviously a big problem for something that is supposed to, contain water. So this simply means that they need to be checked and maintained regularly. Aluminum. So this is one of the most popular choices among homeowners. They are lightweight, tough, and they won't rust like steel. However, aluminum gutters are prone to crack with rapid temperature changes. So once again, they are required to be inspected and maintained periodically. Copper. So this is a high quality gutter. Copper is incredibly durable and it won't rust. So just remember that this is more of a high-end material, so of course it's gonna be more on the expensive side. Okay, so now let's talk about maintenance and repairs. Number one thing when it comes to gutters is that they do require regular cleaning. Now, of course, as a homeowner, you can do it yourself, but just remember, you do have to get a ladder, you do have to go up there, and you're standing cleaning the roof, looking down. It's a little risky. So of course we do not recommend for homeowners to do that unless you feel 100% safe and you know how to use a ladder, because you'd be surprised how many people don't know how to use a ladder properly. So obviously what we do recommend is that you hire a professional to do this for you. it is safer, and of course they will do a really good job. Here's the thing, if your gutters are not properly maintained, then they will not be able to protect your roof. An example of this is that debris, leaves, twigs that fall from the top of your roof basically pile up into the gutter. And obviously this will clog your gutters and prevent them from draining properly. Heavy storms can also cause overflow when the gutters are clogged and pull up the edge of your roof. An example of damage in this situation could be that your shingles will buckle up or curl. And obviously when shingles are compromised, what happens is that water now seeps underneath the underlayment, the shingles, and guess what? It gets to the decking. This obviously leads to mold, decay, rot, and obviously this can cause interior damage to your attic and your ceiling. Here are some warning signs that your gutters need immediate maintenance and or cleaning. Number 1, rain overflow. One of the first indications that your gutters are clogged is water overflow. This simply means that water basically is going everywhere where it shouldn't. Number 2, sagging. The weight of stagnant water and debris buildup can actually cause your gutters to sag. This is also, by the way, a safety hazard. Number 3, stained siding. If your gutters are clogged, water will travel along the eaves of your house and leak into the siding. This will leave water stains on your home exterior and can even lead to warping. Number 4, standing water. If you see pools of water around the foundation of your home, it may be time to check your gutters. This obviously means that your gutters are clogged and obviously water is not properly draining. Remember, by the time you notice these issues, it could be a little late. This is why it is so important to regularly clean your gutters. So let's talk about gutter guards and strainers. If you don't want to hire somebody to come and clean your gutters for you, or you don't want to get up there yourself, one thing that you can do is buy a gutter guard or a gutter strainer. So gutter guards cover your gutters. And what it simply does is that it allows water to go through, but it does not allow the debris to go into your gutter. So there are different types of gutter guards, by the way. The most common materials that you will find are aluminum, lightweight metal, nylon mesh, and plastic. Once again, each one of these materials has benefits and drawbacks. So as you can see, gutters are a very essential part of your roof system. As a homeowner, understanding the importance of gutter maintenance can really save your home, your roof, and your wallet. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. As always, if you would like us to give you a solar or a roof quote, link in the description box below, or of course you can go to our website. Have a good day.